Are you ready to dive into the world of effortless desserts? Today we're going to explore a recipe that's not only incredibly delicious, but also surprisingly simple: the no-bake cheesecake. Forget about preheating your oven and hovering over a hot stove. This recipe is all about convenience and achieving that perfect cheesecake texture without any baking required. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. All you need is a refrigerator and a little patience. That's right. No complicated baking techniques or fancy equipment needed. Just a few simple ingredients, a bit of chilling time, and you'll have a decadent dessert that's sure to impress. We're talking about a creamy, dreamy cheesecake that's perfect for any occasion, from casual weeknight treats to elegant dinner parties. So, let's open that fridge and get started on this delightful no-bake adventure. Our journey begins with the foundation of any great cheesecake, the crust. And for our no-bake version, we're opting for a classic graham cracker crust. Start with crushed graham crackers. You can buy them pre-crushed for extra convenience, or you can have a little fun and crush them yourself. Simply place the graham crackers in a resealable bag and use a rolling pin to crush them into fine crumbs. The finer the crumbs, the smoother your crust will be. Once you have your crushed graham crackers, mix them with melted butter and a touch of sugar. This mixture will act as the glue that holds your crust together. Now, it's time to press the mixture into your pan. A spring-form pan is ideal for cheesecakes, as it allows you to easily remove the finished dessert without damaging it. Press the crumb mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of the pan and slightly up the sides to create a neat edge. This will form the base for our creamy filling. Now, for the star of the show, the cream cheese filling. In a large bowl, whip up cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature for the best results. This will ensure that it blends easily with the sugar and creates a perfectly smooth and creamy texture. Don't rush this step. Take your time to whip the mixture until it's light and airy. This is what gives our no-bake cheesecake its signature melt-in-your-mouth quality. Once your cream cheese mixture is perfectly smooth, it's time to assemble the cheesecake. Gently spoon the cream cheese filling over the prepared graham cracker crust. Use a spatula to spread it evenly, ensuring that it reaches all the edges of the pan. Smooth the top of the filling to create a beautiful, even surface. This will not only look appealing, but also ensure that the berries we add later will sit nicely on top. Now for the fun part, decorating. Top with juicy berries. Fresh berries not only add a burst of flavor, but also a pop of color to our cheesecake. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. The choice is yours. Get creative and arrange the berries in a pattern, or simply scatter them randomly over the top. You can also add other toppings like chocolate shavings, whipped cream, or a drizzle of caramel sauce. With our cheesecake assembled and decorated, it's time for the final step: chilling. Carefully place the cheesecake in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few hours, or preferably overnight. This chilling time is crucial as it allows the cream cheese filling to set and firm up, creating that perfect cheesecake texture. Patience is key here, but trust me, the wait will be worth it. And there you have it, a stunning no-bake cheesecake that's easy, creamy, and perfect for busy cooks. This recipe is a testament to the fact that you don't need fancy equipment or complicated techniques to create a truly delicious dessert. So, go ahead and give it a try. I'm sure you'll be amazed at how easy it is to make a show-stopping cheesecake without even turning on the oven. Enjoy!